guys, namaste, hello all, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. So today we will see your person's current feelings, okay, and whatever we will see, I will tell you. We have two options in front of us. Option number one is this cute teddy bear ring, pink color teddy, which has written love on the ring. Option number two is this white and pink bow ring, okay. Option number two. So you can just pause the video, meditate on the video. Option number one. Option number two, we will start with this option, okay. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, okay. For private reading, you can check the description box below, and or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Now we will start with this option number one. So 10 of Swords, Page of Wands, definitely your 6 of Wands, the Star, King of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Moon, Justice, Knight of Swords. Definitely with these cards I am feeling your relationship has ended with your person. With this 10 of Swords, definitely your relationship is ended, and their feelings for you is that you are their wish fulfillment, okay. With this Star card, I also feel that they have bit kind of a ego, a pride issue, and for some of you I am feeling, if you are female watching this, you have got two options. Definitely, if your person is female, then they have got two options, two males I am seeing. One is Aries, and another can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And I can also feel that your person or you have anger issues, but I'm feeling the Emperor energy. So basically your person has anger issues, or they have or I also feel, if your person is female or you are female, then a female is having two options over here, okay, two male options, and your person might have left you because of your options or choices, or you have left them. So basically their current feelings is, this relationship has been ended. You are their wish fulfillment. I also feel your person has, if they had a lot of options, then your person has a lot of hidden motives or hidden things going on, or they have hide a lot of things from you, or they have lied to you, or they are a liar. With this Justice card, I am seeing you are going to get justice. Definitely you have asked for justice, you are going to get justice. Karma will be balanced out. That is also what I am feeling. Also for some of you, I am seeing past life situation is, because of it, this relationship has ended in this life. That is also what I am feeling. Your person like wants to rush towards you and come towards you and talk to you and fight with you and make patch up with you. I am feeling that, but they hide a lot of stuff. You are their wish fulfillment, you are their star, you are their world. They hide that thing also from you. But at the end of this cycle, I am seeing like you going to get victory, you are going to get justice. Whoever did wrong, that person will get their karma. If something wrong has happened to you, then you will get the justice, definitely. Yeah, so that is what I'm feeling. 10 of Swords, Page of Wands. Some of you, your person can be married and they have a children also. Small percentage I am feeling, okay. Their current feelings towards you, that they don't want to share few things, share few things, like they are married or they haven't shared with you, they are married or they are committed to someone else, but they see you as a wish fulfillment. They want victory with you, and they will come to you, they will communicate to you, they will meet you, they will fight with you, they will patch up with you. That is also what I am feeling, even when they have a lot of options. But this cycle has ended, one cycle has definitely ended. Now what will happen? Justice will be served in your relationship. Justice will be served. I want to pull out some smileys also, how your person is feeling currently towards you. So okay, so for some of you, children or child can be involved. So definitely this person is going to come towards you and contact you. Some of you, your person has daughter or you have a daughter. Define yourself. Okay, you need to be very much clear with them whenever they come to talk to you, that you know what you want. You, if you want commitment, then you need to talk to them very clearly. Okay, send them a clear message. Okay. For some of you, your person can be aggressive as well as bit shy person, so that is why they are not coming to talk to you. Also, for others of you, I'm seeing they have bit ego, and others of you I am seeing, you know, they third party is there. That is what I am feeling. But whatever the reason is, you are going to talk to each other definitely. Let's see the charms also for you. Okay. Some of you for small percentage, you can be on a twin flame journey. For some of you I am seeing, and this person is your counterpart. Okay, definitely they see you as a very much like, you know, they see you as their life, they see you as the luck, they see you as the love. You know, you were the lucky charm for them. Their messages to you, I love you. Definitely when you were there in their life, then you know, lot of luck and money and abundance was coming in their life. But now when you are not in their life, they want victory with you, they want to come back towards you, they want to talk to you, and they want to win you back. That is also what I'm feeling. I'm you know, hearing they want to win you back, they want to win you back. Signs I am strongly seeing again: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, and Libra element strongly I am feeling. Okay. I am feeling maybe one person over here is very much attracted to physical things, money, and all those stuff. One person is very much onto this good looks, and one person is good looking, that is for sure. And one person I am feeling over here that, you know, they were like into so much they have a good dressing sense. They were like, you know, perfect hair, perfect makeup, perfect shoe. If they are male, then you know, perfect deodorant, perfume, perfect gel, hair gel, perfect shoes, so perfect socks, shirt, t-shirt, those sort of vibe I'm getting. So one person is very much, you know, materialistic, show off kind of person, and another person is like, you know, very good looking. Those sort of things I am sensing from this pile. So yeah, this is what your person's current feelings towards you. Definitely they want to say I love you to you. They will come and talk to you, they will contact you, they will call you, message you. They can be your twin flame, your counterpart. They feel like you are the lucky charm, and you, whenever you are in their life, they feel happy, prosperous. A lot of money comes their way, abundance comes their way. Okay, they want to have a child also with you. For some of you I am seeing they want to have a daughter with you. This is what I am feeling. And remember, this can be your energy also. Sometimes it happens I am grabbing your energy, so you need to take according to your situation. And yes, they feel they stalk you also. They see your social media, they see your WhatsApp profile picture, or I don't know, they see you somewhere, and they smile, they blush, they feel shy to talk to you. They feel like, you know, they feel confident after looking at you. They feel like they will come and they want to talk to you, but you know, suddenly their mind gets changed and they feel shy and nervous, or you know, those sort of ego, or for some of you ego comes their way. So yeah, this is what I am feeling for pile 1. Short video I am making. This is what your person is feeling, pile 1. Now we will move to the pile 2. Those who have chose this bow, this ring, I hope you can see this bow. Option number 2, what your person's current feelings towards you. 6 of Cups, okay. King of Swords, okay. 5 of Swords, okay. The High Priestess, okay. The Hermit, the Magician, 7 of Cups, The Hangman. Oh my God. Judgment. Oh my God. Lot many major arcanas over here in your pile, in your relationship. Lot of interference also is there or was there in your relationship. So what they feeling currently? Definitely they are missing you. With the Six of Cups, they are missing you. You are missing them, but their heart chakra is blocked. Okay, why their heart chakra is blocked? Maybe because of some past experiences or family experiences, or they think, or I also feel they think very logically, because in their childhood their parents or their family has or their society or the culture they belong to, they have taught them then that give priority to money, emotions are worthless, those sort of vibe. Always think logically. So this person thinks logically. This person is too logical. They can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, strong Libra, Aquarius, air element. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air element. I am feeling this person is missing you definitely, and I can feel your relationship has ended. For some of you, I am feeling definitely, or on pause. There is no movement, no progress, nothing. Not going backward, not going forward. For some of you, they have ghosted you. They didn't even tell you that this is a breakup, or I am not going to talk to you, or they have just ghosted you suddenly, because they might be, why they have ghosted you, because of someone's interference and difference of opinion. Lot of things I am seeing. Lot of interference is there in your, with this Five of Swords in your relationship. First is there themselves. Your person itself is the blockage. First, that they think too logically. Second, their heart chakra is blocked. Okay, so they don't take decisions with their heart, they take decisions with their mind. Okay, third thing I am seeing, they might not able to, I don't know, they don't know how to express themselves. Their throat chakra is also blocked, because I am also not able to speak. They fumble sometimes, or they get nervous, or some sort of blockage is there, and they are not able to express themselves. Okay, third thing. Fourth thing is other parties, third parties, or their family, their friends influence, or your family or your friends influence in this relationship. Fifth thing I am seeing, your person is confused, and they they don't know whether to be with you or not, so they are confused. They don't know what to take decisions. They can't think I don't think this person can make long-term plans. I don't think at all. I don't know how they invest their money, but I don't think this person can, make long-term plans. Sixth thing I am seeing, they have a lot of options. They have got lot of options. Okay. So this relationship either has ended, or is on pause, or there is no movement, no contact. Also, this another thing last thing I am seeing, this person is quite slow, but let me tell you, this slowness will be benefiting in your now in your relationship. Why? Because they are introspecting a lot. They have started thinking from their heart, from mind to their heart. At least they are trying, where they are wrong, and why other people are interfering in our connection, why I am missing this person. And they also, I am telling you, let me tell you, this person is manifesting you, and they know you have got strong intuition. So the viewer who's watching, you might have got strong intuition, or you can be a tarot reader, psychic medium, spiritual person, clairvoyant, clairaudient, or you can be astrologer, or you have a YouTube channel. So basically you are very intuitive person, strong with intuition. You can be a tarot reader, spiritual person. They know that they are manifesting you, and they are thinking and contemplating, and they are introspecting also themselves, that why I am not able to express, why other people are interfering, why I am still missing my past person. It means you also, they, because of all this others interference and others involvement in your relationship, and their confusion and their options, they have did injustice to you, and now you are going to get the justice from angels. So we have received the judgment card. So this will be a final judgment in your relationship. Okay, either you will get justice from them, which I can see they want to give you some justice, and they are manifesting you. They want you back. They know you have strong intuition. Okay, that is why they are not coming to talk to you, because they feel like you might know few you might get to know few things about them. if they meet you or call you. That is what they are feeling. Also their energy is slow because they are introspecting, they are trying to heal themselves, they are trying to see where they were wrong. At least that is a good thing. Also this person has manipulated you in past, so now they are realizing it, but they are still, you know, in some sort of bit manipulative energy, magician energy, because, you know, I feel like they are manifesting you. They are not contacting you directly, they want you to contact them. That is also what I'm feeling. So no matter what, you are going to get justice. You are going to get justice from angels, and you are going to get justice from this person as well. So final judgment, final outcome, final climax, final judgment from angels, from karmas, from God, universe, angels, ancestors, and from this person. Basically final judgment, final justice you are going to receive from this person. Whatever whoever interfered and whoever they listen to, they have got their karmas. If not, then they will receive their karmas. That those people also, those who have interfered in your relationship, and your person also will receive their his karma if they have listened, or his or her karma if they have listened to other parties, or if they had lot of options. Yeah. But with this judgment card, definitely your relationship has ended. That is what I'm feeling. Let me pull out some smileys. Okay. Rock star. So definitely they see you as a rock star. They feel awkward to come to talk to you. They are like, whatever, if they have listened to others, third party, family, friends, and they had a lot of options, now they are feeling, you know, bit awkward that how to talk to you. So that is why they are manifesting you. They want you to come. Okay. Love. The love began to move. Okay, so definitely there will be a movement after this hermit and after this hangman. This is the pause, and after this, after some time, there will be a movement in this relationship. Okay, so definitely you are dealing with a male person, I am feeling, or masculine energy. You are watching a female, and your person is masculine energy. Even if you are a male watching for your female person, then I am feeling your person is in like very much in their masculine energy. Okay, think with logic, not to give priority to heart and emotions, and think with logic, and their heart chakra is blocked. So masculine energy I am feeling, whether even when your person is female. Okay, so yeah, this person's family interference is very much in their life. Definitely, I don't think if this person even gets married, after marriage also I am feeling this person's family will interfere in their married life also as well, you know. For some of you, I am feeling that family will decide, you know, when to have sex, when not to have sex, when to have child, when to not to have child, how much child you'll have to have, or how many children you should have, and you should only have 2 children or 1 children or 3 children or whatever. So the family decides everything about them. This person is a bit childish and you know, lot of kid vibe I am getting, you know. Even kids are mature these days, but this person is, even if this person is 35, 45, 55, 65, doesn't matter. This person is quite immature in comparison to you, and you are a psychic medium, you are a tarot reader. I am also feeling this person's family decides their children, your person's children's school and name, and their name and everything, you know. So those with whom you should have relationship, with whom you should get married, this sort of things your person's family is deciding on behalf of them. So that is why I'm lot of interference is there, but you will get justice, don't worry. Okay, let me pull out some charms. Definitely for some of you, I'm feeling money is coming your way, abundance is coming your way. This is the definitely strong magnetic attraction. This person might have a confidence issue as well, like how to come to talk to you after all this thing. And basically this person was not flexible. He was too logical. That is why he was not flexible. If third parties and families interference is a lot in your relationship, then I am seeing it will be removed. Okay, all the negative people and interference will be removed, whether they are family, friends, or money, or caste, or anything. Okay, I'm also feeling you guys are on twin flame journey. You might have selected pile 1 also for some of you. If not, then you can go and watch pile 1 if you are attracted to, because in that also twin flame energy I was getting in here also. Your person is quite masculine, I am feeling. See, with this charm, I am feeling your person is quite masculine, in the masculine energy. Think with logic, not thinking about heart and emotions. With this charm, I am feeling you guys can be on twin flame journey, okay? And this person has about new home, and or their family is very much involved and important in their life, or interfering in your partner's life, your person's life. Hmm. And this person is also not flexible, because they are heartless person. I'm so sorry to say that, but they are too logical. This person is heartless, and you want growth and stability with them, and that you will gain, okay? If that justice you want, that is the justice for you, then that justice will you will have with this person. So you will have child with them, you will spend your life with them, you will get married with them, and outside interference, family, friends interference will be removed from your relationship, and your twin flame journey can become successful if this person shows some sort of confidence, because definitely attraction is there, attachment is there, but they don't show it, or they don't understand how to show it, because their heart chakra is blocked. And this person also loves to loves jewelry, or they wear something gold, earring or chain, or I don't know, they love jewelry, or they wear jewelry. Doesn't matter if they are male or female. This is what I'm feeling. So pile 2, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. This is a short video, not long video today. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And for private reading, check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Thank you so much, guys. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye, guys.